How to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. For that, open a Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your Snapchat account. Now tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. On this page, you need to tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the settings page, you need to scroll all the way down and under account actions, tap on contact syncing. You have to toggle off share contacts with Snapchat. So turning off syncing your contact will not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Now tap on confirm and this will make it harder to find new friends on Snapchat as well as they will also not find you on Snapchat. Once you have done that, you have successfully disabled do not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.